trail goes that way or that way. We're looking for the reservoir. We're headed to where the two reservoirs meet with a trail in the middle. Right over yonder behind me is Hans. Right up yonder there, about I'm guessing a mile down, is Filler. Quite beautiful. I am totally stoked. I found a piece of heaven. That's right, my soul. That's right, I'm connecting with my soul here, man. Today's adventure, we wanted to go to the two reservoirs that's connected by a nature trail. And we did so. We are now at Filler Reservoir. Well, that concludes today's video. The two reservoirs meet between a nature trail. I hope you all liked it. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. And we'll catch you on the next adventure.